Your board just approved AI investment. Now comes the decision most executives are not prepared for. Do you build your own AI capability? Do you buy a commercial solution? Or do you partner with someone who already has it? This is not a technology decision. It is a business strategy decision. And the wrong choice will cost you years. There are three paths. Build. You create proprietary AI capability from the ground up. Buy. You license a ready-made solution. Partner. You access AI capability through a vendor or integration relationship. Each path has a different cost, a different timeline, and a different level of control. The right answer depends entirely on where AI sits in your competitive strategy. Building is the right choice only when AI is your core product differentiator, when what the AI does is the reason customers choose you over everyone else. You get full control, proprietary advantage, and no vendor dependency. But it is slow, expensive, and requires sustained investment in talent that is extremely difficult to hire and keep. Most organizations that choose to build underestimate both the timeline and the ongoing cost. If AI is a tool that supports your business, not the business itself, building is almost never the right starting point. Buying works well for standard business processes where mature solutions already exist. You deploy fast, the upfront cost is lower, and someone else handles the infrastructure. The trade-off is vendor dependency and limited ability to customize. Partnering is the path most mid-sized organizations should start with. You get access to serious AI capability without building it yourself. The risk is that strong contracts and governance discipline are not optional. They are the whole game. Whatever path you choose, design for portability from day one. Vendor lock-in is a strategic risk that compounds over time. Here is the decision inside the decision, and most executives miss it entirely. When you use a commercial AI provider, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, your data leaves your building. It travels to servers in another country under that country's jurisdiction. For many business uses, that is perfectly acceptable. But if your organization operates in healthcare, finance, government, or defense, sending sensitive data to a foreign provider may directly violate your local data residency laws. This is not a technical concern. It is a legal and governance concern that belongs on your desk, not your CTO's. Think of your deployment options as a spectrum. At one end, commercial foreign providers like OpenAI or Google Gemini, fastest to deploy, most capable, pay per use, but your data is outside your control. Next, private cloud deployment through Azure, Amazon Web Services, or Google Vertex. Powerful models hosted inside your own cloud environment, better data control, compliant with most regulations. Then open source models like Meta Llama or Mistral running on your own infrastructure. Your data never leaves. Full customization, no per query fees, but you need serious technical capability to run them. At the other end, on-premise deployment, maximum control, zero ongoing API costs at volume, but significant upfront hardware investment, and all security responsibility is yours. Here is the framework that makes this practical. Public data can use any AI freely. Internal data should use private cloud. Confidential or regulated data stays on-premise or is anonymized first. Before you sign any AI vendor contract, ask three questions. Where is my data stored? Who can access it? What happens to it after the session ends? If you do not get a clear written answer to all three, walk away. The build, buy, or partner decision is not permanent, but it sets the direction for years. Start with the business outcome you need, match the path to your data sensitivity and your organization's capability, and design for the ability to change course. The executives who get this right are the ones who treat AI procurement the same way they treat any other major strategic commitment, with discipline, not urgency.